trying out something different for potatoes this year, and that's these growing bags. So they come kind of vacuum sealed here. Let's open them up. This is a 4-pack, and these are specifically for potatoes. And we'll take this string off, and you see there's like 4 of them in here. We'll open this one up, and these are each 10 gallons, 15 gallons each. When you open these up, they're round on the bottom. They've got these gates on the side, so you can open them up if you need to let your soil dry out if it gets too wet in there. You've got a number of those for ventilation, and then you fill it up with your soil, and you can grow whatever you're going to grow that would like a big container like this. It's got grommets, and it's got these real heavy-duty handles if you need to carry it around afterwards. This is great if you want a temporary container for a season, made out of a heavy-duty Tyvek. I'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out. Looking forward to growing some potatoes this year.